Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the Girl in the Apron. Today's Girl in the Apron kitchen tip is cleaning and cutting leeks.
I love leeks! Why do I love leeks so much? Okay, so they're high in vitamin K, B6, and omega-3 fatty acids. They also are part of the onion family, so they are packed full of flavor, but they're sweeter and more subtle in flavor than the onion. But what the heck do you do with the leek? Well, I'll be putting it in my potato leek soup. You can also braise them in the oven with some olive oil and salt and pepper. Chop them up, put them in your scrambled eggs for breakfast. So you're like, hey, I want to make some leeks tonight. So you're going to the grocery store. What are you looking for in a leek? Well, you want a nice white stalk at the bottom and some dark green leaves at the top. Don't worry, the roots are probably going to be on the bottom. But why is it so important to clean the leek? Well, when they're grown, there's soil that's piled up around the stalk. And that makes sure that it has a nice white color and a sweet flavor. But the problem is when it comes to the grocery store, it's still full of dirt. But don't you worry, I'm gonna show you how to clean and cut this leek. It's quick, it's easy, and here's how you do it.
Be sure to find more Girl in the Apron recipes at www.lizzymcavoy.com. And let's get social.